So I'm super pumped. We're going to LA today and we're gonna stealth camp in my Honda Element. The reason why I'm doing this is because there's a Tango marathon that's happening, and instead of buying an Airbnb, which is like $800 in the area that I want to stay in, I'm just going to stay in my Honda Element. It'll be nice and cozy in there. So when you're stealth camping in the city, it's a little bit more sketchy because you're more likely to get the knock from like security or police. And especially when you're traveling to like a new place, you're not really sure where to park. So I'll show you guys some of the things that I look out for when I'm looking for a parking spot. If you're new here, I'll just give you a quick glance at my Honda Element setup. So I've got the mattress here, full length bed, got the cabinet. When you're stealth camping, you definitely want to make sure you have some Reflectix tape. So I've got that in there. I've got the lights to keep me nice and cozy when I'm hanging out inside. And the best thing is I got the Heroes Hot Rods swivel seats, so I can hang out in the back in between dance events. I'll give you a good look at the swivel seat if you've never seen it before, because it's super cool. So yeah, that's a good look at the swivel seats. I can just kind of pop in here, hang out. And then I also have this Blue Yeti power bank, which is 1800 watts, so that'll power my phone, my laptops. Before we go to LA, I'm gonna stop and get some coffee, and I'm gonna say hi to my buddy Miguel from Elementlifestyle, who you guys all know, who is working on some Honda Elements there. So I'm pumped. Let's go see Miguel, and then let's head to LA. What's up, loco? How are you?
Good.
Good to see you, man.
Nice to see you too.
I just got some coffee.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
My customer told me he saw you earlier in the morning.
Oh yeah, the one with the tan one?
Yeah.
Is he over there?
He's over there.
Man, it was good to see you. I just want to say what's up.
Yeah, thank you, man.
I'm driving to LA right now,
Oh,
so.
okay. I'll see you for the appointment that we got.
Yeah, definitely,
Yeah,
man.
You're looking good.
Is everything good with you?
You're doing exercise, right?
Fuck
I can
yeah.
tell, man. You lose some weight.
Thank you. Is everything good with you?
Everything good, yes.
Nice.
Just working.
I know, man. I know.
Excited for the Santa Cruz meetup.
I am too.
See you,
Bro.
brother.
Yeah, I'll see you. I'm going to say hi to your buddy, and then I'm going to take off.
Go check out the khaki.
Yeah. What up? I'm good, brother. How are you? I saw you earlier.
Yeah,
No. What's your name?
Johnny.
Johnny. Hey.
Steve.
I'm Steven. Have you seen my videos?
Yes.
Okay. I'm filming something right now.
Oh,
Hope you don't mind.
Cool. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, my dog's in there.
I see. You saw your dog earlier. He's cute.
Yeah, she's in there.
What are you getting done?
The rear latch handle.
Oh, dope.
And also the passenger swivel. It's already done. This passenger swivel. It's like over there. Open it up.
Oh, hey, pup.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. Oh my
Silk on
goodness.
it. Won my
Hey.
fantasy football league, so I put it in mods.
Oh, you're a cutie pie. Cool, man. That's awesome. Yeah, I have the khaki also, and unfortunately mine has the same like rust buildup up there,
Yeah.
you know, but
Have you done anything to fix it?
no. Have you?
No, but my friend said I could like work on it, but I was like, just haven't thought about doing it.
It's whatever, man.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing's freaking sweet, dude.
Yeah.
I love it. It's clean. How many miles on it?
230,000 when I got it.
Nice.
Yeah, I got it like a few months ago.
I might have a sticker for you. Want a sticker?
Cool.
Yeah.
I have already Element community stickers.
I made khaki ones finally, so
Cool.
let me see if I can grab one. Sick.
Thank you. Nice. Did I keep it? No, I didn't. I'm not using it.
I have someone broke into my khaki actually, and they stole my other stickers. So when I ordered more, I made sure to get some khaki color.
Interesting that they would steal stickers.
Dude, they stole like my clothes and some random shit, but
Yeah.
yeah. Well, Johnny, it was nice to meet you, man.
Yeah.
I gotta go to LA right now.
Cool.
So
Definitely.
yeah.
Well, I know there's what's the next event? There's a Honda
Yeah.
museum one, right?
Are you gonna go?
I think that. What day is that?
Saturday.
This Saturday.
Yeah.
It's in the 20th weekend then, huh? No.
No,
Before
14th,
that, the 14th. Okay, I think I can make it. Yeah, because I missed last time, so that'd be cool to go.
Yeah,
So
it's
we'll
fun.
see. Yeah.
Bye, pup.
Cool. Yeah. All right. Nice to meet you, Steven.
Nice to meet you, Johnny. Take care, man.
Yeah.
See ya. I got something for you.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
I got so I upgraded. I got some khaki stickers now.
Oh, sweet.
So I'll give you a couple of those.
Thank you. I will need one for. Thank you.
There you go. I gotta go to LA. So
Okay.
have fun
Thank you.
working. I'll see you next week.
See you soon.
Bye. Our work here is done. We are on our way to LA. We made it. It's a beautiful sunny day and it's time to do some dancing. We're here in Atwater Village. We're going to the Los Angeles Tango Academy where they host their once a year tango marathon, which is like 3 full days of just dancing all day, all night. This is the 3rd day and I'm freaking pumped. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, y'all, it's dinner time. I needed a break from being out there dancing with everybody. Nice to have the element to come into just to have a moment of like quiet time to myself. So that's what I'm doing is I'm gonna eat some dinner. I got some really cool Persian food at this place called Saipan chicken. I don't know. But I hope it's good because I am freaking starving right now. Ooh, that looks amazing. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, yeah, that's looking good. Oh, this is going to be amazing. Steak and chicken. It's time to eat. Whew. That was so much freaking fun. I had such a blast, and the Element was the perfect home base. I had so much fun that I actually forgot to show you guys my sleep spot, but what I ended up doing was I slept here where I originally parked, and it wound up being perfect. I got no knocks, no issues. The one thing is that there was a train that passed by occasionally, and sometimes I have my earbuds on and I have them just on noise canceling, so it cancels out a lot of those noises. Besides that, it was perfect. I had an awesome home base. I didn't have to drive 30 minutes to a hotel or anything like that. And when the dancing ended at around midnight, I just stumbled into the Element, passed out, and I just had an awesome time. And I saved $800 by not getting an Airbnb for that weekend. So overall, the Element was awesome. If you're looking for some tips, like if you're trying to do some stealth camping, I would just arrive really late and then leave really early so no one even knows that you're there. And that's kind of what I did. I was like parked there, and then in the morning I just drove to my gym so I can shower and all that stuff. If you're parking near trailheads, those are usually good options, or near like Planet Fitnesses or 24-hour businesses. But if you're in a Honda Element, they're usually pretty stealthy as long as you don't have like a bunch of things on top, and you can just park in a residential neighborhood. So, and I plan to do some more outdoor adventures really soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that, and we'll see you guys next time.